Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Google Chrome browser has suddenly frozen on a red screen displaying a critical error regarding your bank logins, please do not panic. This is a well-known tech support scam script that pretends to be a security warning from Google, designed to lock your browser and trick you into calling a fake phone number. I will show you exactly how to kill this script and secure your browser right now. Let's get started. First, because this malicious website uses an aggressive script to prevent you from closing the tab normally, you must terminate the browser process through your Windows Task Manager. Press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys on your keyboard all at the exact same time to instantly open the Task Manager window. Under the Processes tab, scroll down until you see the main Google Chrome application, right-click on it, and select End Task. This immediately kills the frozen browser and the fake scam page along with it. Next, you need to clear your temporary files so the scam page does not automatically reload the next time you open the internet. Open Google Chrome, but do not click the option to restore your previous session, as this will bring the virus right back. Click the address bar at the very top, and to jump directly to the data removal menu, carefully type or paste this exact internal shortcut: Chrome://settings//clear browser data. Press Enter. Make sure the time range is set to all time. Check the boxes for your browsing history, cookies, and cached files, and click the Clear Data button to completely wipe the malicious script from your system memory. Finally, this fake bank error is often triggered by a hidden adware extension that infiltrated your machine via software bundling. Click the address bar once more, clear out the text, and type in this exact path: Chrome://settings//reset. Hit Enter. Click on the option that says Restore Settings to their original defaults, and then hit the Reset Settings button. This will safely disable all background extensions and return Chrome to its factory security state, guaranteeing that the fake critical error pop-up will never bother you again. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.